What's up everybody, we are right now in Düsseldorf at the airport waiting for our flight to Dubai. Yeah, it's 14 o'clock, so only 1 hour left. Yeah, it's gonna be amazing. Our English is bad as hell, but we hope you understand everything and you will enjoy our videos as well. Okay guys, it's finally done, we're on the plane. Yeah, our flight starts in 10 minutes. Okay, we finally arrived at our hotel. We had a very nice taxi driver. Yeah. Okay, let's have a look. We have 3 days. 3 days here in Dubai. Okay, it's 9 a.m. It's time for our breakfast, and after that we going to explore the shopping mall. Okay guys, we changed the lens because we want to capture the biggest building here in Dubai, in the world. Yeah, and we are also going to die here because it's 39 degrees Celsius out there. Yeah, it's too hot. This is definitely one of the beautifulest places in the world. Every shot looks beautiful. You can film from so much different angles and it always looks amazing. Okay guys, day 1 in Dubai is over. We got 60 gigabyte footage of hyperlapse, pictures, lens bow shots and more. Yeah, I would like to edit the stuff. What's up everybody, we are back at the mall again, but today we're going at the top of the Khalifa building and also visiting the Atlantic Park. Okay guys, we did some cool slow-mo shots here at the top of the Burj Khalifa. Yeah, we're ready right now going down to the aquarium. As you can see, we're in the car for our desert race. 20 minutes left. Nothing is better than a desert ride. gigabyte, but still awesome. Yeah. Okay guys, we're already done driving back to our hotel. Michael's still watching his photos.
That's a nice guy. Like